Hi guys, and welcome to today's live trade analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Bharti Airte stock. So I'll be telling you where I took the entry, exit and everything and how I selected the stock and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding today's trade. Okay. And before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel and do like the video. In my channel, I upload lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I'm trading from last 5 to 7 years plus, and all the intraday trades what I have taken is without any indicators based on my unique strategy. So even today's trade what I have done on Bharti Airte is also without any indicators. Okay, so we'll talk about the today's trade what I have done. So firstly, I have bought this stock in the morning around 9:30 a.m. around 1530. Okay, so once I bought the stock has performed well in a bullish way today and the stock has gone up. So somewhere around here is where I bought in the morning, and then you can see the highest point what it has made for the day is around 1564. Okay, so almost 30 plus points the stock has given a momentum for the day, but by following my discipline and the strategy I kept my target within 0.5% to 1% and my target was achieved. Okay, so this is how the Bharti Airtel has performed for the day. But according to my study and the strategy, there was a resistance somewhere around 1550. That resistance has given a good breakout here, and after breakout also the stock continued to go up and it has made a high of 1564 as of now. Okay, so this is how the stock has performed for the day, and this was the profit what we are able to achieve for the day. So if you guys wish to learn how you can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading and want to learn how to select right stock like this and want to make right trades like this, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So I do provide NSC and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So I guide you personally. So in my course, I teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. Okay, and also once you join us you get everyday live market personal support as well. So there is lot of clients feedback also what I have received, so you can go to the blog spot and see all this feedback, and also in my channel you can see the educational videos and trade analysis video what I've uploaded on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and by getting in touch with me. Okay, and now coming to the Nifty 50 analysis for the day. So this is how the market has performed for the day. So Nifty 50, I just open the Nifty 50 chart. Okay, so let me just refresh. Okay, so this is the Nifty 50 chart for the day. So yes, the market was also in a bit of a bullish way today. So this is where the opening was, and from here the market started going up, and this is how the market has performed for the day. And right now it is declining a little bit, and the highest point what it has touched for the day is around 25,131. So that made as a resistance for the day, and now the Nifty 50 is retracing a little bit and it is coming down. And the lowest point what it touched today, the opening point was around 24966, and that made a very strong support. And from that support you can see how the market has rebounded towards the upper side. The market has gone up. In the same way, the Bharti Airtel has also got the same support, and even this stock has gone up for the day. Okay, so this is the trade what I've selected, and this is how I've done for the day by following my discipline and the strategy. Okay, so if you guys want to learn more in detail about the strategies, stock selection and the concept of making consistent profit, you can join us today and I'll be guiding you all the things personally in more detail. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. very soon.